Most businesses are stuck with slow websites, manual processes, and tools that don't talk to each other. I fix all three. Hi, I am Javed. I am a full stack developer and AI automation specialist with over 4 years of experience in professional field. I have built everything from high performance web apps and SaaS platforms that helps businesses to automate their lead generation, client onboarding, and internal operations without lifting a finger. Whether you need a clean, fast website, custom SaaS products, and AI automations, I build it end to end. From front end, back end, database, APIs, AI logic, I handle it end to end, one developer and one system. My stack covers Next.js, React.js, Python, and on the web CMS side, WordPress, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, on the website, and LLMs, n8n, OpenAI, and AI automations on the AI side. Whether you need a clean, fast website, a custom SaaS product, or a smart automation systems, I built it end to end. I have built clients across industries launching web applications and automating their operations, and I have bring the same end-to-end thinking on Fiverr platform for every project. If you want a website, a SaaS platform, or an idea to automate your business, send me a message. Let's build something that actually works for your business.